Morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, April 20th. We got a few items on the economic news releases scheduled for today, and we'll start off, of course, with the weekly jobless claims. So last week we had 234,000 people apply for unemployment. Forecast is supposed to increase a little bit to 242,000, and it came right about in line. 244,000 people applied for unemployment. So about 10,000 people more applied for unemployment than the previous week. So, but still a decent number. We had 2 weeks there in 230 range. 240 range is still not that bad right now. We're still, at levels where we haven't seen since the 1970s in terms of a labor market. The labor market is starting to show some very good strength right now. So right now that's not really a big concern. Philly Fed manufacturing in the Philadelphia region, we had a 32.8 back in March. And it had a pretty big drop down to 22, but still a decent number. This is still a good number for manufacturing numbers here. So basically anything above zero is basically considered expansion. Anything below is contraction here. And then we also got leading indicators for the month of March. So we had a pretty good one in February, a 0.5% increase. And for the month of March, it's showing a 0.4% increase. So things are looking bright. So leading indicators kind of gives us a little forecast into the future where things are moving in. It's showing that things are picking up a little bit. So that's obviously a good sign here for us all. Stock market's up today. After yesterday, after the seesaw up and down, it's taken again more cues from the earnings reports being released. Right now, some of the geopolitical concerns have been kind of dissipated a little bit. It's kind of died down a little bit. They are, of course, still there, but just not on the forefront of their minds with earnings reports right now, since things kind of settled a little bit. But they also are looking at France this weekend with the elections coming up as well. So there's obviously concerns that if Le Pen gets in, that maybe France might be the next to leave the EU. So that's also something that's on their minds. Stock market is reaching their kind of the highs right now, but it seems to be kind of, that might be the line in the sand for any caps, as we're seeing a lot of these geopolitical concerns. We're looking at data. We're also looking at the reason why they got there in the first place were because of Trump's policies. They thought they were going to get in there, but because there seems to be a lot of delays in getting these policies enacted, they're going to kind of get this wait and see attitude. You're going to probably not see go too much further than where these highs have been. In the meantime, until we start getting a little bit more activities in the policies implementation and such. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market today. We are down, as we saw earlier in the week. We had that nice little rally here on Tuesday. And then yesterday we did sell down a little bit. We're down about 12 base points, but we were much lower earlier this morning. We even pretty much touched out the 10-day moving average here, which helped push us a little bit. This morning we do have the Fed kind of purchasing mortgage-backed securities as well, which will also help out the market and keep us in line here. But as of right now, we're down about 12 basis points, which will translate to worse pricing compared to where we were yesterday. Alright, so that pretty much concludes it, but if you guys do want to get more updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me, Mike Bjork, underneath in Twitter, and I do post updates throughout the day in case things change after I release the video here. Alright, so also, if you guys are looking to refinance or buy a home, I do mortgages. Please feel free to reach out. I'll be more than happy to assist you with your pre-approvals or financing to buy your next home, or to help you with your refinance needs, whether it's taking money out of the property or getting your lower rate in term, putting in from an adjustable rate to a fixed rate, going from a 30-year to a 15-year, 20-year. Those are all different viabilities out there, are available out there too. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.